I don't want to talk about tariffs anymore after last week because I can tie myself into a pretzel talking about tariffs are going up. Oh my God, no, they're canceled. Okay, they're just on holiday for a month or two. What does that do for your job? Do you see this regime shift happening regardless of where tariffs sit? Like, forget about in a week, if where tariffs sit in a year from now.
We don't even think about it, to be completely honest. I think that there is inevitably needs to be a reordering of the global financial system where the United States, it's easy to scapegoat the United States, but there's similar dynamics in a lot of other countries. But the US has the privilege, dare I say, exorbitant privilege of the reserve currency and the dollar. But you can't run 7% deficits indefinitely and just expect your populace and the world to fund that without repercussions at some point. So could this have gone on for another 5, 10, 15, 20 years? I have no idea. But at some point, the interest burden on that debt was going to have very negative consequences. And so maybe the tariffs, maybe the administration is pulling forward a reckoning of that, where typically what politicians do is just kick the can because that seems to be the easiest path forward. So we can't predict this, but what we do know and what we can control is trying to just assure that our portfolios have durable, resilient businesses. Because if anything, nothing is certain. But one thing that I think is an extremely high probability is that the path forward is going to be not non-linear. So you need businesses that can adapt and be resilient during these inevitable soft patches.